This is a demonstration of how to use a generic smartphone app in order to do a net present value calculation. The example in this case is asking you to apply a weighted average cost of capital, therefore the discount rate of 12%, to evaluate a project costing 1.5 million Rand, and that will have expected operating cash flows over 4 years of 320,000 Rand in year 1, 650,000 in year 2, 460,000 in year 3, and 390,000 in year 4. All of those operating cash flows are positives. Open up the smartphone app and click through on the NPV IRR functionality. This part of the smartphone app is different from the TVM functionality that you may have seen before. In the entry fields, you are faced with a very straightforward situation of mapping the numbers that you have, the cash flow numbers that you have, to each of the obvious entry fields in the app. In my version of the app, which is the Android version, and it may be phone dependent as well, I noticed that the decimal point and the minus sign are on the same key. I found that on my phone, the way to get the minus sign was to double click on that particular key. Following that, it is a very straightforward process of entering in the cash flows and then clicking on calculate. There are, in this particular app, there are 3 outputs provided. The one that we are looking at in this situation, and I have highlighted on the screen, is the NPV result. We will discuss the other 2 results in the next video in this series.